Hey, so we have finished all the line edits on the novel. We have finished all of the beta edits. We've finished writing the novel. No more writing it. So now we need ebook cover, print cover. We need to actually get it up on Amazon. And we need all the front matter, the blurb, the keywords, the categories, all that stuff. I'm going to use the title Sweet Chaos that it gave us. I'm not going to ask it for, 20 titles and go through that whole thing. I'm also going to use a new pen name since this is going to be my only public name. Got lots of pen names, but this is going to be the only public one. Because otherwise, how would I show you all? And I've had so many people ask to actually read one of these books that, yeah, it's time. So, what we're going to do is, the new name is Chelsea Amen. So I was wanting to do like something like Amy Ingram, but there's a ton of Amy Ingrams on Amazon right now, or like close to Amy Ingram. There's not any Chelsea Amens. Chelsea just because I was like, I don't care, just a random first name. That's not a big deal. Amen because I wanted something, and the reason that I was thinking of doing Amy Ingram is AI. Like I wanted a little kind of nod to AI. And I was watching the show last night that the person's name was Amen. So I was like, you know what? That would be a really cool last name. And it's A-I-M-A-N. So I was like, you know what? That's perfect. So it's going to be Sweet Chaos by Chelsea Amen. So what we need, all the front matter. So let's get to that. And it's just going to be one prompt. Blurb, the keywords, no, so the Amazon blurb. It's specific for Amazon just because Amazon has, you can have it really long, but no one's going to read a really long blurb. The Amazon blurb, the author's note, the keywords for Amazon, the categories, and let's also get a ideogram prompt for the cover in one artifact. So what I'm saying is, hey, can I get all the front matter for this novel? The title is Sweet Chaos by Chelsea Amen. I also need the Amazon blurb, the author's note, the keywords for Amazon, the categories. Let's also get the ideogram prompt for the cover in one artifact. And then where to find all this info. Please review your project files to get everything you need. Simple. One prompt. Send it away. I'm using Claude Sonnet for. Opus would be better at this, most likely, because Opus is really, really good at getting like deep dive stuff. But I've used Opus a lot this morning, and I don't want to kind of, run out of it. Because I finished another novel this morning. It's book 5 in a series that I absolutely love, so I was using Opus a lot for that. Okay. That was super cute. And see, we're going to get rid of that. But yeah, this is one artifact that includes everything. Amazon blurb is long-ish. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. It's a little long. This is super cute. Okay. Perfect. I'm going to copy this to the project. Did we get the... What are you doing? Okay, pause. I don't want you overwriting my original artifact. I really wanted them. There we go. All better. Make me a new artifact. This is so cute. And just toss these in the back. Super easy. Alright, so... Do I still have two? Yep, alright. Okay. Vacation, copyright page. It is 2024. Let's update. And remove the website. And IBS. Good. Alright. Good. Where is my... There we go. This is ridiculously long, but we're going to do it anyway. Deal with that in a second. So, ideogram. Actually, you know what? Let's pause here just in case some of you only want like the front matter and going through that whole process. And then we can do cover art in a totally different one. So, because I was just going to jump right into cover art, but I want you to be able to find the info that you need right away and not have to, figure out which book it's in or which video it's in. So, we have front matter. Very, very simple prompt. I'm going to show it to you again. It's literally just asking for everything that you need as long as it has access to it, meaning it's in the project file, then you're going to have everything that you could ever want right here. And then just tweak it. Just be, hey, it's too long. This still feels excessive, but it's got what it needs. It's cute. I love these little like personalized touches that makes Chelsea feel like a real human. We got keywords, we have categories, the cover prompt, which is way too long, we're going to pare that down and tweak it. Series info, we're going to get there. Cute little dedication, copyright page, And then these really sweet, where is it? These really sweet recipes with these little cute. And do I trust the AI to make recipes for me? Absolutely. Now, if you've never done it, you absolutely should try it, because there's lots of times when I go up and I'm like, hey, I've got XYZ ingredients. I want something using this method, and I've got like 20 minutes. What do you got for me? And then I have dinner. So, yeah, try it. And, yeah. Like, my last one was a really, really yummy lemony pasta. And that was absolutely delicious. And then they gave me a recipe, and I was like, hey, I don't have some of these ingredients. Give it to me without it. So instead of just omitting it, I was able to just be like, hey, I don't have it. Give me a new one without those ingredients. And it did. So I wasn't missing anything. But anyway, so we got the front matter. We've got everything we need. We have bonus recipes. And yeah, this is going to be fantastic. So, and then the next video is going to be the, actually, pause that. I need to show you guys how to put this in, don't I? I was almost just going to be like, yeah, and then you know how to do this. And I know a lot of you know how to do this. But just in case you're like, but where do I put this? Let me show it to you. Alright, so we're calling this Sweet Chaos by Chelsea Amen. Enter. Control Enter gives you a new page. Copyright page. Copyright page, first edition. It is September 2025. September 2025. Get rid of the thing that says copyright page. We don't actually use that. I'm going to put in the designer name in a little bit, so I get the spelling right. Alright, so dedication, not like that, paste without formatting. You want it in italics, italics, not italics. Skip that, skip that, skip this. Dear readers, author's note. Blah, blah, blah. Anything that we need to change here. That's not in, nope, okay, so, blurb. Actually, what order do you suggest the front matter be in? Normally I do it in the order that I'm actually showing you, but just in case you don't know, or you're not sure, I normally put the blurb in my book, but that's okay. Title page, if you want to. I normally don't include a title page, but that is completely up to you. When I do print, I do a title page. When I do ebook, I don't. But again, it's up to you. Copyright page, dedication, author's note. So, it's exactly what we were doing. So, copyright page, let me actually, like that. Copyright page, dedication, author's note, book. See? Easy. Oh, I need a author bio for this person. She lives in location with her family pets. With New England and her 2 months. What's a small town romance writer? Cocker Spaniels. There we go. Looks cute. Alright. All the way down here. There we go. Now the book is officially complete as an ebook. It's all done. It looks beautiful. Very easy, very simple. See? Alright. So now I'm going to stop the video. Next video is going to be the cover art. Thank you for being here as always. It's going to be super fun. So excited that you all actually get to see something that you've seen from the very beginning, like the very first I want to write a romantic comedy to it's done. And then if you also look at like how much time has actually passed, like not the weeks and weeks that we spent doing this, but how much time has actually passed, we're still on like 1 day. So it is absolutely possible to get something like this done in a day or a day and a half. Like say you have a long weekend, because I want you to take breaks too. I want you to go outside a little bit. But say you have a long weekend, you could totally get this done in a long weekend. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. Next video is going to be Ideogram, making that ebook cover. And then that's just going to be going through a whole lot of re-rolls until we tweak what we need and get it perfect. Or it could be perfect on the very first one. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I'll see you all soon. Bye!